Good morning, everyone. In last period, we are discuss about the free fall, okay, and gravitation. In this period, we are discuss about the velocity and acceleration, okay, velocity, uniform motion, okay. When an object move with constant velocity, such motion is called uniform uniform motion, okay. Uniform circular motion. Same definition. When an object move in a circle with constant velocity, such motion is called uniform circular motion, okay. Acceleration, accelerated motion. When an object move with a increasing velocity, okay, motion is called accelerated motion. And third one is retarded motion. When an object move with a decreasing velocity, motion is called retarded motion. In the three definitions means uniform motion, accelerated motion and retarded motion, the keywords are most important, and that keywords are constant velocity. In the uniform motion, constant velocity is most important. When any object is moving, okay, with any velocity, in that velocity the constant velocity is most important in uniform motion, because when any object moving with a velocity, that is the motion, okay, but it moving in a constant velocity, that is the uniform motion. Next one is that is the accelerated motion, okay. In this accelerated motion, the the keywords are increasing velocity, accelerate, okay. Accelerate means increasing, okay. When an object moving with increasing velocity, okay, the we are accelerate the bicycle, okay, bicycle having the acceleration accelerator, and when we are increasing that accelerator, the bike also moving in high speed, okay. Here, when velocity is decreasing, okay, first constant, next increasing, and third one is decreasing, that is called retarded motion. The velocity's direction we consider as, okay, in which direction that body also moving, in which direction that object also moving, that direction also are the velocity's direction. Falling bodies, here are two cases, okay. First, it is the very means common factor, okay. Maximum time it's happened with us, and that common factor is when you are means reach to the terrace, you can gossip with your friend, okay, and the mobile in your hand, and that was means released from your hand, okay. When that mobile is released from your hand, from the terrace, okay, from the top of your home, it's fall down on the earth, okay. That when you are releasing your phone, it was accidentally you are releasing your phone, okay, from your hand, that was dropped down on the earth, and from your hand to earth, okay, that motion also increasing from your hand, okay, the speed also increasing, means top to bottom. Here one condition is there. Okay, when an object is released from top, it falls down due to what? Due to gravitational force, okay, of earth. As force act as downward direction, acceleration a would be a in downward direction. Everyone know, when anything, any object, mobile, you also, when you are released from the top, okay, any object when we are releasing from the top, that was dropped down on the earth, and the acceleration is in the downward direction, velocity also increasing in the downward direction. Okay, here why? Because of the gravitational force. Earth also acting the force on every body, okay, those on the earth, and that's why earth is also acting the gravitational force on your mobile or any object, those are released from the top. When any object is released from the top, increasing the velocity, okay, increasing the acceleration. Here in the picture we are clearly seen the object also having top, okay, the at particular height, that is h, okay, the velocity and acceleration increasing in which direction? The this one direction is downward direction, okay, that is the downward direction. Okay, here one, a calculation of acceleration according to Newton's second law from equation first. Thus acceleration acted on a falling object is equal to g. Means thus acceleration, okay, it is equal to g, means that acceleration acted by the gravitational force, that's why it is equal to the gravity. Okay, in second case, if we throw, this is happen in maximum time on the ground, we are through the ball, okay, when we are hit the ball, that standard physics, okay, in we are playing in the when we are playing on the ground and we are teaching in the class, this is the standard physics. If we throw a ball upward in the air, okay, a gravitational force act downward on it, as force act downward, acceleration is in downward direction, it means velocity will decrease with time, and at one point it becomes zero. Okay, everyone know, when we are throwing the ball, the initial velocity of that ball is zero because that ball is in your hand, that's why it is not in motion. When we are throwing it, when we are applying the force on that ball, okay, through is in the air, that time from zero to that ball also accelerated at the at some distance in the air, okay, some height, okay, when it reaches a maximum height, okay, it stop, that ball was stop at a particular height, and from that height, means that when that ball was stop at particular height, the final, means that is the initial velocity is a zero also, and from that initial velocity the gravitational force also acting on that body, that ball, and that ball was dropped down on the earth at a high speed, okay, because of the gravitational force act on that body. When it through the it repels the gravitational force, okay, this physics we are, means this term we are means compare with the our space ships. Those spaceship we are means maximum spaceships go on to the moon, okay, on the moon, and that was repelling the gravitational force, okay, here. And that's why when that ball also reaching a maximum height, it's u-turn and reach high same speed with the toward the downward direction toward the earth, okay, increasing the velocity, okay. Here in this picture we are clearly seen it, okay. U is equal to 0 meter per second when that ball also moving upward in direction. The acceleration also increasing, means as the gravitation g is equal to acceleration. Velocity, when we are throwing it, the velocity, initial velocity also 0. When it stop, that final velocity also 0, okay. We are study 3 equation of the motion, okay, in ninth class, okay. Displacement is equal to ut plus 1 divided by 2 at square. Next one is u square is equal to v square is equal to u square plus 2as, okay. This equation can be used to calculate the value of a velocity distance, okay. It is by a replacing acceleration by gravity, means those acceleration is in the equation, we are replaced by the gravity and we are easily calculate the velocity and distance, okay. When the value of a g, okay, value of a g, when it positive and when it negative. When any object also moving toward the earth, that is positive. When any object also means opposite to the gravitational force, that is a negative, means opposite direction of the earth, that is a negative. Air resistance, okay. The most important factor, the air resistance is a all object of a different shapes, size and mass should taken same time to fall through same distance, but practically it is observed that two objects of a different masses hit the ground at a different time due to different air resistance on them, means the size, shape and mass of that object also affect, okay. And also air resistance of air resistance is a most important factor because it repels to the object, okay. It's repel to the object, okay. Why? Because we are consider one weak person and heavy person, okay. When we are throwing, means taking the one rubber ball and one plastic ball, okay. We are throw is in the air, the plastic ball also flowing with air, blowing with air, but the rubber ball also drop down quickly on the earth. Everyone know, you can easily understand with the rubber ball and the plastic ball. When we are increasing the size of ball, okay, the plastic ball and also rubber ball, the rubber ball weight also increasing, The plastic ball weight also means not so increasing as compared to the rubber, but their size also increasing. When we are increasing the size of a rubber ball, it is heavy. Okay, means that mass of that rubber ball is increasing, but the plastic ball's mass also not increasing. That's why the time, those time they have taken to drop down on the earth, because of the air resistance, because air resist maximum, okay, maximum to the lightweight things, lightweight object. Those are lightweight object, means air resist more, and those are heavy, the mass also more, that object also drop down on the earth. Which are the factors, most important factors affecting air resistance? Okay, more the mass, lesser the effect of air resistance, we are well know, because the rubber ball mass also more, that's why the air resistance is lesser. Here, the more the surface of area of object, more the effect of air resistance, means we are increasing the surface area of uh, rubber ball, and also with compare with to plastic ball. Okay, the variation in the value of g, it is the most important factor, most important thing. Okay, as we go to the large height, go at large height, the value of a gravity is also decreasing. Everyone know the value of gravity also decreasing on the mountain, means maximum question arise in front of you. The gravitation is in the any mountain, there is more or lesser, we are confusing. We think when we are go at a maximum height, the gravity also increasing. No, when we are reaches a maximum height, the gravity also decreasing. Okay, and when here, since earth is not a perfect sphere, rather it has a oblique shape, therefore radius at the equator is a greater, radius at the equator is greater than at the pole. Since value of a g is a reciprocal of the square of radius of earth, okay, thus the value of a g will be greater at the pole and lesser at the equator. Everyone knows. Means maximum question, when we are traveling toward the equator, the value of a g also toward the equator. From the pole, the value of a g also less. When we are traveling from equator to pole, the value of a g also greater. That questions maximum times ask in your examination, means the value of a g also lesser at the equator and greater at the pole. Okay, means maximum the one type of a questions here. The one boy also going toward the equator, the value of g less. The one boy from pole to the equator, from pole to the equator, the value of g also decreasing, decreasing, means greater at the pole, and from pole to the equator also decreasing, and equator to pole also increasing. The geography of earth having the different at different location, such as a mountain, plains, ocean. Okay, this cause a variation in a value of g. Okay, that all questions for your homework. Okay, that all questions for your homework. today we are stop here. Next chapter we will continue tomorrow. Okay.